Hello YouTube, Silver Rat here. This being a quick unboxing, some copper and silver. I'm going to open it. It's from APMEX. They have great shipping. It got here, ordered it Monday. It got here Thursday. So this is live, bud. We got everything we need right here. The usual post-it notes. And first we have a beautiful silver Libertad from Mexico. And this one is where's the date? I don't see a date on it. Oh, 2016, it's on top. 2016 Libertad, beautiful coin. Oh, next we have, look at this. This is didn't want to buy this, but it's a silver Panda 2017 from China. Look at that beautiful boy. He's a ugly little critter with the bamboo behind him. This one's a 2017. I'm new at this. Okay. A couple more we got. Where are they? There we go. We have a random cuckoo bird. And this one is in 2013. Beautiful. This is the one I wanted. 2013 Kookaburra, Australia, and Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. Isn't she a fox? Right on, Kookaburra. There's 3 of my 4, and I should have a random or a 19. I keep saying 19. Queen Elizabeth, 2017. Canadian maple leaf. Those are my 4 silvers. Okay. Now, here we hit the good stuff. Silver and copper. There's a beautiful Freedom Girl. Yeah. There's the Standing Freedom. They're so stunning when they're brand new and haven't been touched. There's a Trivium. And the ladies like this one. Let's come and take it. And oh, this one is radical. Spreading debt and death. World Bankers. That's the Warbird. And speaking of bankers, they're still spreading their debt and death everywhere. And another 20. There's a new cannabis round. And one more cannabis round. One's a 16 and one's a 17. And I have the Bitcoin. That's a play on the Bitcoin. You know, it says, you don't own it if you don't hold it. And that's the meaning of all of this. If you don't own it, you don't hold it. This is Silver Rat. YouTube, I'm out of here.